Are you stuck deciding between Intercom and Zoho Desk for your help desk needs? It can be tough to choose, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one works best for you. Both are top competitors in the help desk space, but there are key differences you need to know about before committing. Stick around, because I'm going to break down the pros and cons of each, and by the end, I'll share a game-changing alternative that might just blow both out of the water. Let's dive into Intercom first. This platform has built a strong reputation, particularly in the customer messaging arena. The live chat feature is one of its strongest points. It's sleek, easy to use, and integrates smoothly with many other tools. If you're looking for a solution to provide fast and direct communication with customers, Intercom has you covered. However, when it comes to help desk-specific features, it starts to feel a little clunky, especially when you need ticketing or detailed reporting. It's great for small to medium-sized teams, but if you're handling a large volume of tickets, you might find it hard to scale with Intercom. And let's not forget, the price tag can quickly add up, especially when you add on premium features. Next thing, let's talk about Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk offers a more traditional help desk setup, and it shines in its ticketing and automation capabilities. You get a robust set of tools to track customer issues and automate workflows, which is fantastic for organizations that rely heavily on support tickets. The reporting features are solid as well, so if you're looking for in-depth analytics, Zoho Desk excels here. But it's not without its downsides. While Zoho Desk offers great functionality, the user interface isn't as intuitive as Intercom. It can take a bit of time to get used to the layout, especially if you're migrating from another platform. Plus, there are complaints about its mobile app not being as reliable, which is crucial for teams on the go. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Intercom's pricing can be a real hurdle for small businesses. It's tiered based on the number of users and the features you need, and if you want access to advanced automation or reporting, it's going to cost you. On the other hand, Zoho Desk is generally more affordable, offering a free tier for smaller teams and competitive pricing for premium plans. However, if you're looking for advanced features like custom reports, you'll need to opt for their higher tier plans. Moving on, let's look at integrations. Intercom offers a wide range of integrations with other apps and platforms, which makes it a great choice if your team uses a lot of third-party tools. Zoho Desk also offers integrations, but you might find the options are more limited compared to Intercom, especially in the e-commerce space. However, Zoho has a reputation for connecting well with other Zoho products, so if you're already using Zoho CRM or other Zoho tools, it could be a great fit for your ecosystem. The last thing to note is customer support. When it comes to getting help, both platforms offer solid support channels. Intercom's customer support is known for being responsive, but some users report that it can take a while to get in-depth solutions. Zoho Desk, however, tends to get mixed reviews in this area. While it has a robust help center, some customers find that the support team isn't as fast or as effective as they'd like. At the end of the day, both Intercom and Zoho Desk offer valuable features, but there are areas where both fall short. After trying both myself, I can confidently say that if you want a better all-around solution for your help desk needs, you should check out the alternative I've linked in the description. Through that link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, which are only available to my viewers. Don't miss out, it might just be the solution you've been searching for.